In this video, I explain the basics of psychoanalysis. You will learn what psychoanalysis is, and how it works. Psychoanalysis is a method to understand human behavior. It was developed by Sigmund Freud. Freud believed that our behavior is influenced by unconscious thoughts and feelings. These thoughts and feelings can come to light through conversation. The unconscious is the part of our mind that we cannot directly perceive. Undesired thoughts and experiences are stored here, which often unconsciously control us. Freud believed that these unconscious contents influence our behavior. Sometimes these unconscious thoughts appear in dreams or slips. Freud divided the psyche into three parts: the id, the ego, and the superego. The id represents our desires and drives. The ego helps us align these desires with reality. The superego ensures that we follow moral values. Defense mechanisms are protective strategies used by our ego to shield us from unpleasant feelings. This includes, for example, repression, where we forget painful memories. Another defense mechanism is projection, where we attribute our own negative traits to others. These mechanisms help us cope with inner conflicts. Dream interpretation is an important part of psychoanalysis. Freud believed that dreams reflect unconscious wishes and conflicts. To understand them, one analyzes symbols and events in the dream. Dreams can help us discover hidden feelings and thoughts. Freud believed that our childhood experiences have a major influence on our later life. Certain early experiences shape our personality. Problems or conflicts from that time can affect our adult behavior. That is why it is important to consider childhood in psychoanalysis. In psychoanalysis, there is the method of free association, also known as the free flow of conversation. In this process, the patient speaks without interruption about whatever comes to mind. The goal is to discover unconscious thoughts and feelings. The therapist listens and helps to decode these thoughts. The therapist plays an important role in psychoanalysis. He or she leads the conversations and helps the patient recognize their unconscious thoughts. The therapist should be neutral and unbiased. A trusting relationship between therapist and patient is crucial for the success of the therapy. In psychoanalysis, there is the concept of transference. The patient projects feelings they have for important people in their life onto the therapist. This transference can include both positive and negative feelings. The therapist uses this transference to better understand the patient.